Hi, John here, $5 Farm. Today we're going to be talking about some soil block makers. When you're planting your seeds in the spring, it's always kind of a struggle to get to containers all together, especially if you're doing a large volume of plants that you want to get started. This year we bought a case of these 4-inch square pots. There's 1,000 in a case, and I forget, it cost about $65 for these. We got them online at Greenhouse Megastore. We also are selling some local seedlings that we start here in the greenhouse. So I also at Greenhouse Megastore bought these. These are perforated 6-packs, and there's 8 in each one, and they're actually inserts that come to 100 to a pack. As you can see here, they fit right into the 10-20 trays. And we don't actually sell the 10-20 trays, but when we're at the church bazaar or something and we're selling these seedlings, we just tear off this perforation and it comes right out. One of the other things that we've done here on the farm for starting our seeds that we're going to start and plant right out into the field is we have something new this year. This is called a soil block maker. You can see this. We bought this from Johnny Select Seeds in the Great Northeast, and what it is, it's a device here that we use in this tray. We mix our soil together, get it nice and wet, compact the soil into here, and when you're done you can just make a soil block right into the tray. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. Alright, with the soil block maker, what you want to do is you want to have a bucket of water handy nearby so you can dip it in there. If you keep this thing fairly clean, your blocks will come out nice and square. Obviously I haven't kept mine very clean. Got a scrub brush down in the garage. I'll have to go get that. You have this nice and wet here, the blocks will be nice and square on the top, and it'll make a nice dimple so that you can put the seed right in there and get the seed started. So one of the other important factors is when you're making your soil block soil, you want to make sure it's nice and wet so it fits into the soil block maker. And when I just get in here with my hand and I push it right in there, kind of use the heel of my hand to get it pushed up into the tray here. You can see how we're doing this. And this does use a lot more soil normally, but what I do then is I just scrape it off with my hand here, and you'll see when the water starts coming out of the top here that it's pretty much packed and ready to go. You see the water squeezing out. And then all you got to do is put it in here, squeeze, the spring lifts up, and I kind of just shake it a little. But as you can see, this makes these perfect soil blocks here. Now they're really wet, and I put them into the tray. You can get exactly 50 into the tray. You can see there's a little dimple in there where you put the seed. Just leave them right in the tray. And what I usually do, some of the other ones I had made, I would put the seed in and I would put some more soil over the top, but I kind of noticed that dried out faster. So lately what I've been doing is when I put the seed in, I just push down on the side and just kind of fill it in. The seed will start. I'm going to go over here in a second here and show you some more of these. Okay, you can see here these are some of the trays of soil blocks that we've made, and we put the seeds in and started. And these right here are our cucumbers, but I'll lift this one up and show you. This is a little wet, let's break it apart. Let me get one of these out of here. Okay, here's a cucumber soil block. As you can see, the roots coming out. But they get air pruned as they come out, but these cucumbers are growing very vigorously. I just did these last weekend. I put the seeds in and they literally sprouted in 1.5 days. So again, when we go outside, this will be a nice little plant. It doesn't get root bound because there's nothing to contain it, so it just air prunes itself. And when we're ready, we'll go out in the field. Another, I'd say 2 or 3 weeks, these will be significant in size. We'll just go and drop this right into the ground where we're going to go our cucumbers. Again, here are other packs over here, the 6-packs to pull apart. So these are going to be the ones that we'll end up selling. Get a whole bunch of these in here.